master to inspire this week's painting is Ferdynand Ruszczyc, a leading Polish artist known for his monumental visions of inspiring landscapes. Ruszczyc, who lived between the years 1870 and 1936, was a painter, printmaker, and stage designer. Nature to Ferdynand Ruszczyc is a vehicle for dreams and moods. His paintings are rooted in his direct observation of nature. They exhibit rich textures, saturated colors, and impressive spatial effect. His artworks are lyrical and romantic in nature. They are dramatic and intense, combining his refined palette and precise compositions. Ruszczyc paints primarily panoramas, wooded roller scenes, and wilderness. In his panoramas, he shows a brisk sky spotted with heavy clouds that spread across open landscape vistas. He uses sketch-like broad rendering of motifs and visible brushstrokes of thick paint that are combined with occasional smooth spots. Ruszczyc uses the technique of chiaroscuro in his paintings to develop clear tonal contrasts between light and dark and to create volume and modeling of subjects. He makes his objects and figures three-dimensional by creating a sense of depth in his paintings. Ruszczyc has great ability to capture soft gradations in light and shade, from the deep shadows of rocks and trees to the pale. He paints crisp light that casts across the meadows and rivers. He also achieves three-dimensional effects by blurring the edges of the figures so they seem to merge into the surrounding scenery. By using the single light source, he dramatically brightens his figures against dark backgrounds. He uses rich, deep shadows to create believable depth of space and heavy firmness in his subjects. Ruszczyc is a philosopher of nature who paints romantic symbolism. His paintings showcase his exceptional pictorial power and dynamic brushstroke. Each element in his artworks has its own philosophical sense that encourages an attentive viewer to think. Ferdynand Ruszczyc was born in Belarus, where he spent his childhood. He studied painting at the Imperial Academy of Arts in St. Petersburg. After graduation, he made extensive tours of Europe, incorporating much of the styles he discovered into his own paintings. He later helped in founding Warsaw School of Fine Arts, where he taught for a while. Ruszczyc's life was mainly devoted to painting panoramic landscapes and to teaching art. He also organized cultural events and worked as a graphic designer, poster designer, and illustrator. In 1918, he helped in the founding of the Faculty of Fine Arts at Stefan Batory University, which is still Lithuania's leading research institution. Ruszczyc died in 1936 when he was 66 years old. His body was buried at the family cemetery in Bovedano, Belarus. Today, various places in Poland and Lithuania bear his name, where he lived and worked. There are many commemorative plaques and streets named in his honor in Minsk and Bovedero. Ferdynand Ruszczic's varied body of works, marked by the highest levels of professionalism and public significance, presently attracts the attention of various public and private places across the globe.